What's up, guys? It's Herbie with the Herb and Peach channel. I hope you've been having a fantastic day, evening, afternoon, whatever have you. I don't know what this video is, but it looks like some kind of concoction being made, so we're gonna go check this out. This one's for you guys. Ooh. Let's check it out together. Alright, so I don't know what that was all about. It says caption this. My caption is, be careful what you drink. Man makes music out of overly sturdy drinking equipment. IDK, bro. We're gonna check these comments. If you made it this far, I hope I've earned a like or a share, a subscribe from you. If that's what you want to do. At the end of the day, do what you want to do. Do what you want. Me waiting for my damn drink. Dude's so skinny because he burns more calories than the drink contains. The new unbreakable McDonald's milkshake machine. He's like... He was emoting and or using his ultimate. He was like, yeehaw, rodeo! Things to avoid drinking. How about I got food poisoning on vacation? How about this drink is crazy? I don't know. That's how they scare away. That's how the drink is clean. He's spitting and scaring off the germs off of it. Hope you have a great day. Have a fantastic one. Hope you share this with someone who likes wild drinks. My name is Herbie with the Herb and Peach channel. Stay beautiful, you beautiful creatures, you.